There are lots of social media management tools out there, and while some are free, a lot of them are not. However, as a beginner who is yet to start making money from their social media management career, you do not need to begin spending so much money on tools. So if you've been wondering what are the best free tools that you can use as a social media manager to get maximum result, I've got you covered. I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've done my research, and I'll be sharing with you all that I have experienced and mastered as a social media manager like you, who has once been on a budget and has no money for paid tools. These tools are beginner friendly, super effective, and best of all, completely free. And if you're ready to become a highly paid social media manager, I have a free gift for you at the end of this video. So make sure to watch till the end to get your free gift to help you become a highly paid social media manager. Hi, my name is Immaculate Uchechi Enyeribe, and I'm the team lead at IUC Media, a social media management agency aimed at growing and maintaining the social media presence of brands and businesses. And as the lead trainer at the Social Media Academy by IUC Media, I train aspiring social media managers how to do the same. If you're new here, you are welcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on new videos to teach you how to grow on social media, either as a social media manager or a business owner managing their social media presence, as they drop every week. So let's dive in. The first free social media management tool that you need in 2025 is Canva. Canva is the ultimate design tool for non-designers. With Canva, you can create stunning graphics, posters, social media posts, templates, and even videos, all with customizable templates. So if you need a quick Instagram story, Canva is there for you. You want to design a professionally looking logo, Canva has got you. You want quick social media posts done with Canva. The drag and drop interface of Canva makes designing so easy, and you feel like a pro in no time. Now, there is actually a paid version of Canva, but as a beginner, you can start with a free version. Even the paid version is very cheap and affordable. I currently use the team version for only 2,800 naira a month. That's less than $2, and there are about 5 of us in the team. So you can collaborate with other beginners like yourself and put this money together to get the team version for almost close to nothing. The second free tool that you should consider using as a social media manager is Google Drive. Google Drive is your free cloud-based organization tool. It helps you store your content securely, share files with your clients or team members, help you keep everything from captions to photos and videos neatly organized in folders. Plus, with the Google Docs and Google Sheets in Drive, you can collaborate on content plans, schedule in real time, and create your calendar. This tool is the absolute game changer. And if you're a social media manager on a budget who doesn't have all of the money to start investing in paid tools yet, Google Drive is one organization tool that you should not sleep on. Next, let's talk about CapCut. Videos are huge in 2025, and you need tools like CapCut to edit videos like a pro. With CapCut, you can add beautiful transitions, text overlays, and effects in seconds. It is so easy to use, and trust me, I have used so many video editing tools, but when it comes to social media videos, CapCut is your best tool to use. It is both on mobile and on desktop, and has both the paid and free version. However, as a beginner, you can make do with the free version, especially when you have a computer that you can use, because while most of the nice features on mobile are paid for, you can still get most of them for free on desktop. CapCut makes it super easy to create polished videos that grab attention and boost engagement. So if you want to grow fast as a social media manager, CapCut is that video editing tool that you don't want to do without. The next free tool that you should consider using as a social media manager is Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is for you if you're managing Facebook and Instagram. With it, you can schedule posts and stories, track analytics for better performances, manage messages and comments all in one place. So if you're working with Meta platforms, this tool is an absolute must-have, and it's absolutely free. Nothing like paid or free version. All the features are completely free, and with it you don't have to overwhelm yourself with manual posting. Simply batch create your content and schedule them with Meta Business Suite so that you can focus the rest of your time on other productive aspects of your business. And finally, ChatGPT, your best content creation and planning tool. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate social media caption ideas, copies, email templates, and so on. Brainstorm content ideas based on your goals. Craft engaging replies to comments and DMs. It's like having a creative partner that works with you 24/7 to help you shine, and it's absolutely free. Well, there is also the paid version, but trust me, once you've been able to train ChatGPT to write in your own voice, you have absolutely nothing to worry about, because you can actually make do with the free version. So my advice to you, if you want ChatGPT to serve you well, is to learn the art of prompting. If this is something you would like me to teach, please drop a comment for me down below in the comment section, letting me know. Once I get your comment about wanting to learn how to prompt effectively with ChatGPT in the comment section, I will surely create a video to teach that. And there you have it. That's a wrap on the best free social media management tools for beginners in 2025. Number 1 is Canva, your ultimate design tool. 2 is Google Drive for organizing. 3 is CapCut for your beautifully and professionally edited social media videos. Next is Meta Business Suite to help you manage Meta platforms, that's Facebook and Instagram. And lastly, ChatGPT for all of your brainstorming and creative needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe if you're yet to. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, as I'll be sharing weekly tips to help not just brands managing their social media pages, but also social media managers like you. So my gift for you today, if you're ready to become a highly paid social media manager, is my free guide on how to make 6 figures monthly as a social media manager. Check out the link in the description to get your free copy today. And if you're new to social media management and you would like to learn the first steps towards becoming a social media manager in 2025, even with no experience, here's the video for you. So click on it to watch and know exactly how to become a social media manager in 2025. And I will see you in my next video.